I'm Einars from BluOr Bank. I'm head of e-commerce, and at the moment we are presenting our bank as a friendly solution for fintechs.
Great. What is the core value proposition of BluOr Bank?
Well, actually, we're growing significant at the moment. So in the last few years, we have developed a lot of things regarding the e-commerce. So payments, we know it's very famous and very interesting in that. So we do card acquiring, we do open banking, we do payouts, pay-ins. So a lot of things that are necessary for EMIs or fintech companies.
All right. So can you put a few more words on what problem you solve in the market?
So at the moment, as we know, it's a bit hard to open account for fintech companies because they are startups. They don't have history of the business. We're okay with that, so we solve the problem with the account opening by onboarding them directly through us. And also we provide all the wide payment solutions, so SEPA Instant, Swift payments if they need it. So we take care of the infrastructure that they need to move on.
All right. Okay, so I want to understand a little bit better what is also unique about your solution then.
Yeah. Unique. As a bank, it's not so famous and popular, but what we do, so as we onboard the client, we also provide card acquiring. So we're principal members of Visa and MasterCard. It means that if this fintech or EMI wants to do some card acquiring on his side, so we're ready to do that by sponsoring the BIN of our, our license. We're sub-licensing these companies, and it means that they can cover all in-house with this solution.
All right, great. So what benefits, let me do that again.
Yep.
What are the benefits to your customers, and can you maybe explain that by a use case?
The benefits of our clients. So as we are a local bank in Latvia, it means that all the management and boards are at the same building, so we can take the action plan really fast. Starting from receiving the documents till the onboarding the client will take much faster than in the big banks. And that's the core business for us because we're flexible, we're fast, and by the onboarding the EMI it could take approximately a month that in other use cases could take up to 3 months. We're doing this as we are partners and deeply, involved in the client situation.
All right. And do you have a case study that you are in particular proud of?
Regarding the examples that we have now, clients from all the Europe also can come with us to work and have this onboarding process. And as we heard that the major banks in Europe are not so deep into this fintech and EMI solution providing. So we take one step further outside the Baltics, and also we work with clients in UK and also within the Europe, Spain, Malta, Cyprus. So everything can be onboarded with us, but of course they have to be KYC and due diligent accepted.
All right. So we're here at the Baltic Fintech Days today. What is making the Baltics a special market for you?
It's not a secret that Baltics are really good in fintechs. So we were the first one that provided SEPA instant payments. It was back in 2017 even. In Europe, it's now like a new trend, but for Baltics, it's even like 7 or 8 years already working that. So I would say Lithuania is also a big growth of fintech companies. It's a huge, I would say, community in this sector, right? And Latvia is also getting step into this section. And I would say the Baltic is really step ahead in the other Europe countries what comes to the fintech and EMIs.
We hear that quite often from the people we speak to, so that's interesting, yeah. So what's been your key takeaway so far from the Baltic Fintech Days?
It's a great place to be here because it's a huge event, I would say, and a lot of participants are coming and very interested in what we can what our solutions are for those companies. So we heard that there are some EMIs, of course, but also the guys that are looking for MiCA license that are working with cryptos. We know that it's been regulated now in Baltics, and we are open to that kind of business as well.